If you're a TFSA investor, you'll be happy to know that the TFSA limit for 2022 has been just released, and it is $6,000. Now, what this means is if you have been able to make deposit into your TFSA since it was introduced in 2009, you can now have a deposit amount up to $81,500. Now, this $6,000 is the same as it was the last 2 years. So starting in 2022, your new limit will be another $6,000. Now, what a lot of people don't know, if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you do know, but what a lot of people don't know is a tax-free savings account. You can also hold this in a stock portfolio, much like the Wealthsimple one we're using on this channel. So if you're new to investing and you just have your TFSA in a regular savings account or maybe a GIC, and you're wanting to look to potentially get better gains, because don't forget, the gains in your TFSA are tax-free when you sell your positions of your stocks. So if you wanted to get into that and learn a bit more, you can definitely follow along this channel. You can hit the subscribe button. I'm doing a TFSA Wealthsimple trade journey, if you will, from $0 all the way up trying to get $100,000. There's no timeline for that. It's a long-term, slow and steady process, but it would be great to have you follow along. If you have questions, I'm not a financial planner, but I can hopefully leave a comment down below and I can hopefully help you out, steer you in the right direction. Just wanted to get that out to let people know. I wish I have maxed out my TFSA from 2009. I have not, as you can see from this portfolio. It is just starting out. But again, starting late is better than never. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.